Would just like to tell you all about the requirements or the procedure if ever that you're going here in Sapporo, Japan, or basically in Japan this 2020. So if you're planning to go to Japan, much better na talagang i-prepare nyo na ahead of time para at least makakuha na kayo. So medyo nangangapa rin kami actually sa requirements, but then yun nga, iba na pala siya. Actually, nagulat din kami sa air. Hi guys, it's our second day here in Japan. So actually in Sapporo, Japan. Well, anyway, yesterday I would just like to tell you all about the requirements or the procedure if ever that you're going here in Sapporo, Japan, or basically in Japan this 2026. So ano nga ba yung mga requirements? Unang-una, of course, yung inyong passport, and then yung inyong visa. I already discussed kung paano yung proseso ng visa application sa VFS kung gusto ninyong dumiretso and anong tawag dito, wag na travel agency. Pero I heard na sobrang hirap kumuha ng schedule ngayon sa Japan. So if you're planning to go to Japan, much better na talagang i-prepare nyo na ahead of time para at least makakuha na kayo ng schedule, or from time to time, mag-check kayo ng schedule. So yun nga, after anyway, yung ticket pala namin actually is nabili namin ng sale. Actually, yung travel namin dito sa Sapporo, we're supposed to go to Tokyo lang for February with the kids. Pero yung travel namin sa Sapporo is unintentional or parang unscheduled, something like that. Kasi nakita namin, it's 11,000 pesos for both of us na actually. So dalawa na kami nun. So I just booked this last December 12, I think, or 11, parang ganun. And then nakita ko nga na 11,000 lang. Usually, kasi pag 11,000, one way lang yun per person. So, this time, 11,000, dalawa na kami, and round trip na yun. So, it's really a best deal. I don't know if it's piso fare or naabutan ko yung parang 88 pesos fare. And then, yun nga, so ticket, passport, visa, and then actually first time namin in after more than a year or so, na umulit kay Cebu Pacific kasi lahat ng Vietnam trip namin actually is Vietnam Airlines. And then yung trip namin to, of course, US and Canada, EVA Air yun, and madami. WestJet, United, and ano pa ba yung isa? Hawaiian Airlines. So, yun. So, ngayon lang ulit. So, medyo nangangapa rin kami actually sa requirements. But then, yun nga, iba na pala siya. Actually, nagulat din kami sa airport. Iba na rin pala talaga, no? So, sobrang tagal na talaga namin hindi nakapagbiyahe after ng US-Canada namin. Well, anyway, yun nga, going back, mag-i-email naman si Cebu Pacific actually ng mga requirements mo. Dati kasi walang ganon. So, nag-email siya ng link to your e-travel, nag-email din siya ng link for the Visit Japan web. So, nakapag-encode na kami ng e-travel, nakapag-encode na rin kami ng Visit Japan. So, ang unang-una namin ginawa is yung preparation para sa aming flight. Nag-book muna kami ng seat. We usually do that kasi nga, nasanay kami ng may web check-in. Pero actually ngayon, parang nakita namin na lahat pala web check-in na. The only difference, syempre, mapipili mo yung seat na gusto mo. So, nag-book kami ng seat namin. And then, extra baggage actually. So, nag-book din kami ng extra baggage kasi winter dito sa Sapporo. So, it's really very impossible na magdala ka lang ng iyong hand carry. So, ayun na nga. So, after that, we've decided to do the e-travel. Yun, mag-encode ka lang naman ng mga details mo. Meron na rin naman kaming account for that. So, ano tawag dito? So, yun nga. Ginawa na namin yung e-travel namin and then yung Visit Japan. If you have an account sa e-travel, mag-login ka lang naman, and we also have an account sa Visit Japan web na eh. So that's why isang account lang naman is okay na, and then tatanungin naman niya kung who's traveling with you eh. So pwede mo naman encode yung kasama mo. Family members actually. I'm not particular kung friends pwede, pero I think family member or something. So guys, if you don't have any anong tawag dito, QR na ginawa sa Visit Japan, you can go here. Ito yung custom declaration, and hindi natin mahanap yung isa. This is the Visit Japan web kung hindi kayo nakagawa ahead of time for your Japan trip. So better pa rin kasi super balis lang, wala pang 5 minutes na accommodate na kami sa immigration. Anyway, pagkatapos nun, ang unang ginawa namin way before preparing for our e-travel, web check-in or whatever, is the travel insurance. We avail the travel insurance amounting to 2,500 pesos for the two of us na. Kasi syempre, kung babiyahe ka lalo na winter, and then syempre marami tayong nababalitaan about flu season dito sa Japan. So, might as well na syempre mas maganda na safe ka o covered ka if ever na magkasakit ka or whatever accident. So, wag naman sana. So, yun. Basically, yun yung pinaka nakaka-secure lagi ng trip namin eh. So, hindi namin siya binabalewala. Very minimal lang. Actually, yung 2.5, may isa pa eh, yung parang, ano nga tawag doon? Parang tatlong package kasi yun ang in-avail namin Classic eh. So, tatlong package yun. Pwede naman, I think 1 plus lang yung isa eh. Parang 1.8, dalawa na kayo eh. So, 2.5, yung medyo mas mataas na plan yung in-avail namin ngayon. Kasi nga, since winter and flu season nga daw dito sa Japan, para at least hindi tayo kinakabahan. So, on the day of our flight, so we went dun sa Terminal 3 ng Cebu Pacific. And then, sobrang nagulat kami na ang smooth na ng everything. Pagpasok mo, may self-check-in counter na. Sobrang kakaiba na talaga. So, mabilis na rin yung transaction. Mabilis na rin yung check-in kasi nga, parang ino-open na yung gate at least like 4 hours before the flight. Kasi diba dati parang 3 hours before or minsan nga 2 hours pa before your flight. Tsaka pa lang i-open yung mga gate. Ngayon lahat open na. As in, sobrang smooth na. Nagulat kami kasi dumating kami na maaga. We usually arrive 4 hours before our flight. So, dumating kami ng maaga doon. Siguro mga 30 minutes or less. Kasi pagdating namin, na-drop na namin yung bag, in-issue na yung boarding pass, and then pumasok na kami sa immigration. So, wala na rin pakita-pakita dun sa immigration area. Wala na pakita ng mga validation or verification, parang ganyan. And then you go into the immigration na. And then sa immigration, wala naman tinanong, tatak lang, ganyan. And wala rin pila kasi nga bakit? Ang bilis-bilis kasi lahat automated na yata eh. So, papasok ka lang and then, ayun, parang scanning na, parang ganyan. So, tapos na, that's it. Sobrang smooth na ngayon ng Terminal 3 or Cebu Pacific, Cebu Pacific or Terminal 3 in general sa Philippines, sa airport. Ayan. And then, after that, so medyo dahil nagtagal nga kami, kaya ang haba-haba ng aming in-stay, kasi hindi namin alam na maganda na nga yung process ng, ng check-in mo, no? Yung ng flight mo. Anyway, ang mapapansin lang namin is sobrang lamig na sa buong lounge area o sa mga gates, na as in like super lamig na dun sa area na yun na dati ang init-init. So, sobrang way improved. 100% improved na talaga. Kaya lang yung mga kainan doon sa area na yun, hindi pa masyadong marami as compared sa hindi ka nakakapasok pa doon sa loob ng immigration. So, kung alam nyo na medyo smooth naman yung ninyo, tawag dito, yung papasukan ninyo na area or during your flight schedule, mas maganda pa rin na kumain sa labas kasi mas maraming option than sa loob mismo ng tapos na ng immigration. Sa mga gates, I mean. So, yun lang. That's it, guys. So, parang ang requirement, the usual pa rin is yung passport, and then yung visa, and then, actually, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention the travel tax. We already paid online kasi that's why very smooth na eh. And then, nag-web check-in lang, and then, what else? You have to do self-check-in, just do the Visit Japan web, and you're good to go. So, you can go to Sapporo. But first, of course, you have to secure your visa ahead of time. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to keep you posted. By the way, watch out for our Sapporo trip or Sapporo vlog. Bye-bye!